It's not safe to be around me. Like I said no!
Trent, if you're gonna dream about being a superhero, the White Ranger's not who you want to be.
And I wish I had a choice.
What are you saying?
The gem, it's changed me. I can't take it off or control what I'm doing. You gotta believe me.
Why should I?
Because I'll never intentionally hurt anyone, Kira. White Ranger, that'll help.
Bring it on.